Godzilla presents a Jurassic story. Our story continues with this dinosaur named Noah. Hey. Alright guys, let's go. Come on guys. It's technically today. We know today is graduation day, but still, isn't it a little bit too harsh? I know, we're all graduating for herbivore day, but still, we gotta move. He is right though. Let's go. Alright, bring me those dinosaurs for lunch. Yes, master. Wait a minute. Anyone hear that? Yeah. I just farted. No, not that. It's a Carnotaurus! Let's fight it! Hey, I'd come in peace. My stomach is rumbling. Never mind, I don't come in peace. Oh. Hey, leave him alone! You cut me open. Only to make me madder. We can't just sit here and watch. We gotta help him. Okay. Don't worry, Noah. We'll save you. Good worry. Good thing, fruit basket. Now let's attack. Ouch. Or he attacks. Okay. Get off of her. Now we fight. Drow! Take this, you ugly. Yeah, pain. Now let's get this. Ouch. Oh man, this hurts. Wait a minute. What's that? Huh? Where am I? Huh? Is he awake? Let's hit him again. No, wait. Let's not hit him. Oh, thank you. I'll do anything if you guys just don't kill me. Get out of here, never come back. And go to wherever you came from. A dinosaur egg? No, back to the trenches of the, what was your desert's name again? Saurian Desert? Go back to Saurian Desert where you came from. And stay out of Thor's Valley. You know Thor. You talking about the prince of the dinosaurs? He's a king now. Okay, I'm getting out. Guess we'll never see that guy again, right? Yeah, probably. Listen, master, I'm sorry. Please, spare me. You failed what I told you to do. Just get to the point. I don't need any excuses. They got away. Take them to the slammer. Hey, no, let go. No, wait, I'll not fail you again. Please, don't take me to jail. No one fails me twice. Forget this. Alright, all herbivores that want to be a graduate of dinosaur say cheese. Or you can say dinosaur milk. Dinosaur milk, if we knew what milk was, and if milk came from reptiles and dinosaurs, because we are reptiles. Ka-choink. I may be your other bounty hunter and your other bounty hunter fail, but I promise I'm not gonna fail you. I know it. Good. And if you fail me, I'll kill you. Not really, I'll send you to jail just like the other bounty hunter. I won't let you down.